Hello, Mr. Seagull. What have you got to say for yourself? Anything?
My trips, God, they're massive, aren't they? Look at his little legs.
He's a big old boy. Hello, Mr. Seagull. Come and try and take my phone then. Caw-caw, caw-caw. Let me see if I can reach you. What's that? What's that? I should have got them donuts. You would have come and got a donut. Hello. Hello, Mr. Friendly Welsh Seagull. Hello. Come on in. Oh, he's got a tag on his foot. He's got a tag on his foot, and that must mean he's special. Hello. Are you a homing seagull? Oh, his head twisting. Are you a homing seagull? Do you want to lift home? Yeah? Do you want to jump in? Do something then. Flap your wings. Flap your wings. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you. Hey, good boy. Good boy. Go on, off you go. I want a fly-off motion of you. Bye. Caw-caw! Caw-caw!